Sharing, this is viral.
Viral?
Kathmandu, yeah?
The beard is very handsome, no? Handsome.
Of us, the Ladakh one Nepal Subhas one, Rohakani restaurant, Kalonga Bokas, Mahama, Kampani, Ikna, Ikloka, attract Hamokanika restaurant.
So you don't have any other option? You are dealing only with this?
Yes, this is good service. I go from and now today a lot of people going to Pokhara, no? So if somebody book from online,
I did check online.
give me your Nepali phone number. I give to my friends. He will follow. Okay? Can you tell me your name?
I'll write down.
Can you?
For both of us.
Only one is enough.
Jungi kadeh nyoba je sebedamian.
If somebody
Kathmandu to Pokhara. Ticket to Kathmandu to Pokhara. From one and only Yuvraj Dada.
And if somebody, if anybody come to Nepal, please give them my card, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Give them
We'll tell in our YouTube friends also.
Odissi Nepal.
So if you want to come to Nepal, so you can tell by yourself. Yeah.
Namaste. My hotel name is Odissi Nepal. This my hotel located in Hamel. If anybody coming to Nepal, please visit my place.
So he's giving a very cheap tour, I could say, and also a very good, decent hotel with good price. And you know the price is only 1600
1600 rupees.
Nepali rupees, and in our price is only 1000, which is like, if we compare with other people, he is giving the best out of the best.
Yeah.
And I'm so thankful. We are so thankful of you.
Okay.
Halo perlu perjalanan pedia sebab VIP profesional YouTube channel kajungi temtasi kadesi kabasau ini pon Nepal temtasi kan long ka different mo ingi temtasi ne po bangin travel ne po Kathmandu ingin travel ka no daka local bus local bus ne te ingin lis koi ka jaka de sebab people ko kini ko video jogi pas ya. Komen rumah
Sa page mo, kading apel hapileng bagi travel local, badla dangi travel da ka online, kanu kador, kanu kadinglot, kanu dibingsat. Pensa yo motivation ha kung bantu ang ali parang inya pay ba suma ba ni pay ko ya kanika video ka jongi ka pamanta kasi
perlu kani ka bridge by bahap krasate silyang naningi habyan ni hap krasate silyang kalongkum ka jiking po dan kiti mo. Baik ya. Bespat kumnya kamera pun keras Dai. Ini jerong long kumnya kan. Tenat badai ke view teh. Ini ya stay. Tebio bos nyo. Tebra tambah. Yang ini persang mah. Perlu.
Kublay sa sini pi barot parajor mapiu iya kanika nan kabadan sadiri kakal Tyngka rani Pukhari lake kadan hangni hapo Tamil kadan piu iya hangni ha bridge barang te kadan kamor itu skywalk tingin siya to hanakan dia bakani ka lake ni rani kanan balai lakhot karani Pukhari ai kal Tyng naman ta kasi mo kilashna da way usiem naman ta ka lok no ka bahday mo nama balai kata ka mahday ka yam ka susiya ta kuor ka dan kata khep ka ba jayu haswa bakan susi nama kadaw ka lok ba ayap no tuon jom kita angot ki siguro mo usi makasip nama balay ta pun umod banong siem henry jarang khat ba banno hati ka yung ta pun din ta kadaw ta siem yo i bakata ka siem ka yam ka susi ti pinsna no ka liken nang bakan yo jaka syong tengen mo bakan klet no la yo iya ka jingi tenat jong ka pali jok put yo i kete ketika long ka mandil ti yang nya let no sya ka jaka ka bani kwa bandai ali nak mentakum ni
Perlu kani kan kali ni layo.
restaurant.
Duno agi hujaya.
Kita bahas ni sini.
Perlok unta ilayo ikene kalima bakalot.
Ya Shang Kathmandu.
Ayun. Tie.
Travel local.
Ayun.
Please guys, follow our footsteps.
Ni tang arsan ka. Arsan ke?
Anet ko puntas bit pato. Shimpan
Sedih kalau tu kasi pagi. Perlok. Sedih long tu.
Shang kali Thailand.
Oh,
Long kali Thailand.
ganti Thailand ni. Chong.
Stay yo ada stay deh.
Ayun.
Long kung kini pergi kan.
First time ni travel dah.
Aman
Kali
confirm
lokal
semua.
mah.
Yang confirm Charlotte nyam deh dulu.
Ayun.
Iya tu pun ha.
Te perlok kan ni kan tak 3D restaurant. Ini draw kan ni. Senadai. Haji,
Ingin je buat tim you mah.
itanat kan ni dai.
Kan ni kan gift.
Hmm.
Gift. Ingin nyapit malak ka eh. Kan ni di first floor. Ke ground floor ke simple bed dia kan ni ke first floor. First floor. Tanadai. Tiyang in explore sa ka second floor. I walk bed. Yeah. So this is the second floor. Sea theme. Ocean theme.
Perlok fitanan ni kan ni ka
Any milkshake?
3D restaurant mah.
We have strawberry milkshake, chocolate milkshake, vanilla milkshake, and Oreo milkshake.
This strawberry milkshake is syrup or
Yeah, ma'am. It's
everything is syrup?
Yes, ma'am. And on vanilla and chocolate, we use like vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. We use our ice cream too over here.
On the scroll that dash down.
That's down, like the 7.
Exactly good.
Right?
THE
THA.
again dash
Again there.
official OFF
Okay, OFF.
CIAL.
CIA. Okay, I have to subscribe this channel. Yeah?
Are you seeing it?
No,
Have you
ma'am.
seen?
No.
Is it coming now?
Oh, like
Achha, you're just saving.
Yeah,
Cool.
I haven't connected to the network, so I'll just connect
Okay.
network and I'll just subscribe.
Yeah. You can just
Yeah.
shut down.
Yes, sure.
Te perlok kan ni kan kita kat sim space mah. Kan itanat bah. Ini na. Itanat bah dai. Team space. Ini. Sini siliang jongi kadai dah ki team jong ki skelton mas ni siliang satu day jong ka ocean jong dokha. Si itanat bah.
Kya?
Yeah, this is good.
The beard?
Ah.
Whoa!
Seven, this is viral. Viral in
Viral?
Kathmandu, yes?
The beard? It's very handsome, no? Handsome.
Same Mongolian face. You know Mongolian?
Mongolian.
Here all here Mongolian. Mongolian is here, lot of Mongolian here.
Iya na?
Yeah, yes.
Kena ni papai tu beard. Bunang ketak aduh. Smoothie.
Hmm.
हजुरहरु फोटो लिनुहुन्छ
Yeah.
फोटो नेपाली हो र हैन
No.
Hindi, English.
We are Indian. Yes.
Hindi pata hai. English.
इंग्लिश नहीं पता
Kali Hindi.
Pata?
Ah.
You are, if you take pictures, you will send us.
यस यस नो
Are you
ये
charging?
हमारा पेज में अपलोड होता है
Ah, ठीक है.
आपको दिखाऊं कैसे अपलोड होता है
Ha. Tihang take you lah. Offer ini question dun em ting yang nagkap siyo ni em tiyang tanga pitch. Uy, bang ni
Kita try tu. Bang.
Tasty. Mixed fruits. Everything mixed. Ki I make real fruits. Hindi ti siya ni ginger ha man yung original fruits but Parlok hang niu show lawan tu niu show dok muit nyamat kai ma ti ite iba ti idang bun kam ban upload ka video ka ba nam ta jong phi pet ka tu surprise video nam ta jong phi ma ya bam sha ti concentrate bita nam ta jong phi par long ta ka daw ha ban yarap ban kashan bhai i namar ba i concentrate bha bata nam ta jong phi skip ya ka bam ru ma pet athan bhate na do man pe ha do man tapat impat bam ma ikwa siya ban pendep ya ka kamram ka jong phi naman ta jong phi namar jong phi
Radish pickle, it's a tomato pickle, and there is a bit Spanish and our mixed veg curry, okay? So do you want some ghee?
yes please do hi parlok la
Okay.
Take,
What do you want? Should I
ghee.
keep over here?
is it good
Yeah, it will be good.
Okay,
It will
thanks.
taste much good.
yes thank you
Please have you here.
Menjalawan yung kali di mana kasi tingin ng miss ban bang kali na magba nidan kamja kasi te at balik ja be kasi ni benote tamban temporary bang ini yung favorite pan man te ano di thali hiyo kumjo he ka shukya na ka taste pa din di fi ite Kylleng ikum jo ijo di eru ijo tambah ko akhir kompres kan kum shat na di ali parlok niya bang siya nito
ai perlok khane dan tu
40 seconds.
yang senderu dan
Sorry, my mistake.
ni jangan sender
you can tell me if
Nice. Same pose. Right. वैसे टॉप को टच कीजिए.
like this
टॉप कान के टॉप को. टॉप.
te perlok tangi la debam ne na po restaurant 3D of arts te lara ki kwan ne pa subha sewan roha kane restaurant kalau ka bokas bahwa kampam ikna ikloka ka attract bahwa kane ka restaurant ka dan man ka mala ka dan ka jong team man ki kamera hani ka dan ka sea ocean team te sathe dan jong ki space kane dan jong ki ying suit tu jong support
pe ying suit tu
di support la ka jong ni la pani hina do nak mat te subhas pe pen ko kan ke video jeli la dak dan interest te la da pi tanah subhas ya comment basa share basa like subscribe basa dan yai upload ki video ki pangin sepala chusu te mentang ini mina mini sesuai de ki jaka
thank you
आप लोग मेघालय से आए हैं हमारे यहाँ आपको रेस्टोरेंट में कैसा लगा
अच्छा
अच्छा
है
लगा नहीं लगा
बहुत
बहुत
अच्छा
अच्छा
लगा हमारा यहाँ पे ये बौद्ध स्तूपा का ऑपोजिट में है 3D आर्ट रेस्टोरेंट है हमारे यहाँ पे 5 फ्लोर है 5 जिसमें बार है कैरियोके है उसके बाद में रूफ टॉप है व्यू टावर है हमारे में फ्राइडे और सैटरडे को लाइव म्यूजिक हो जाता है लाइव म्यूजिक होता है उस दिन हमारा क्राउड होता है हमारा यहाँ पे सब लॉट ऑफ पीपल कम हियर सब 3D आर्ट को लाइक करते हैं और यहाँ का हम खाना हमारा यहाँ एक्सपीरियंस हमारा 43 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है एंड दिस वी हैव अनदर ऑन रेस्टोरेंट एंड स्तूपा इनसाइड इन स्तूपा inside in
Okay,
Stupa,
yeah, we saw
3D.
3D.
That one is a 3D restaurant.
first we went there and then when we didn't see all these
Yes,
then we came here is this the same change
Not same. This is food is served same, but name is the different. That one is 3D, and this one is a 3D art restaurant.
so don't get confused
No, you don't go. You can same restaurant is the same. One family.
but only
same
the
family.
design theme only the decoration is
Decoration
different
is different.
That one is
Like
simple.
different.
do you have any Instagram page or
Yeah, we have TikTok viral, and this is the scene is this is the
Viral
this was submarine. This is all body. So a lot of people come submarine here. This one is a viral TikTok viral. So
guys,
I will keep the Instagram
Description.
page and
Facebook page.
in the description. So please go and check this beautiful restaurant. So come and visit this beautiful restaurant and taste the food from here. So the taste is very
Tasty.
tasty and
Delicious.
delicious food, and especially Nepalese food. It's very
Yeah,
tasty.
thali is very
Yes.
good.
So just if you come in Nepal, come and visit this restaurant. You will not regret.
Exactly.
Exactly. Hello.
So, Bhaiya, thank you for your service. It's so pleasure to have from you. Yeah. So, thank you for
Thank
being
you,
the host.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dia kan ni kan. Si. Sasran hoi. Omni dai tang ni saya wan biang. Dia mentang ini soalnya po stupa. Yang ini ya pina ni stupa no perlok. Baik, tai. Ini hatai kan. Tai stupa. Ih. Tinggal ni stenta. Ni kan perlok tau stupa. Oh, bahaya dai. Baik. Ini kan perlok tau stupa.
Di perlot kami ketika Jaka ni layar room ni namut dan konsep tiket bisa room dan show kadang ni room bed ni layar ban room ni ia pimah
Dai.
ke ibi
Kylleng kumul ron.
ti perlot hang ni bun bhaki restaurant bun bhaki
Cimbam. Hutan mo.
cafe mah
Hutan
Oh.
ngale.
ha pidang ken mau hutan mah bas sapat deh
Di monastery.
kan dah ti perlok monastery
Perlok tang ketemu ngila de peni pi tu stupa baya katu ka monastery tingila de peni de mentahi ngila kerki nomor bakabos dungi nyau beje kal kalami tingi hapoi sipo jakasa ndriu beje ai te ha posta pan ngi hapoi ndriu so pusan te ngimlong shu ban penut por kam gas neste yong idu ya kabos mo
di perlok tio ihing dan kamban siwi ai di ngilong ki badan bak piru ki bansawan pidang dan bak nama kajut jengi bajang ki kalam kajut ti suha banyawan kuai
te perlok tang katu ka video in penkon na ne ban ngin skindu pe fi profile ka next video ban sawan ban soba lada phi tana de kani ka video jengi soba sa pe penkot ban sa comment ru ban sa share ru ma
like subscribe but we are on the way to somewhere else to keep watching stay tuned stay safe we love you bye bye